In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Poly to Slack. Poly is a survey app that can really help streamline feedback and engagement within your team on Slack, making it a great tool for collaboration and project management. Whether you're conducting a quick poll or gathering more extensive feedback, Poly can add significant value to your workspace. Now let's dive in and walk through the steps to get Poly up and running on your Slack workspace. First, open Slack on your computer or mobile device and sign into your workspace. You want to make sure you're logged into the correct workspace, especially if you're part of multiple teams within Slack. Signing in is your gateway to accessing all the integrations, so ensure your credentials are correct. Once you're logged in, navigate to the sidebar where you'll find various options. Here, you'll want to click on the option labeled Tools. If you don't see Tools immediately, depending on your version of Slack, you might need to click on More first and then look for Apps. This navigation might be a little different if your Slack app has updated recently, but rest assured, both routes get you to the same destination. Now in the Apps section, you'll find a search bar. Here type Poly to bring up the search results. Slack's search functionality is quite efficient, so you should see Poly listed among the top results. Once you've identified Poly in the list, go ahead and click on it. This will take you to Poly's app page, where you can learn more about its features, functionality, and potential use cases if you're currently exploring. But since we're here to install it, find the button that says Add to Slack and give it a click. After clicking Add to Slack, you'll be presented with a window detailing the permissions Poly requests. These permissions are necessary for Poly to function well within your workspace. It's always a good habit to review these requested permissions carefully to understand what access the app will have. Look through the details to ensure you're comfortable with everything listed. Once you're ready, click Allow to grant the necessary permissions and complete the installation process. And that's it. With Poly added to your Slack workspace, you're now ready to start creating surveys and polls with ease. Make sure to explore Poly's settings and options to tailor the experience to fit your team's specific needs. Its integration with Slack should make it seamless to enhance communication and gather essential feedback from your team. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Enjoy using Poly and happy collaborating.